Hey everyone, in this video, we learn everything about mileage expenses in Zoho Billing. Mileage expenses are the costs associated with using a vehicle for business-related travel. In this video, we'll cover the following topics. Configuring expense preferences. Before getting started, let's configure the mileage expense preferences of your organization in Zoho Billing. Log into your Zoho Billing account. Go to Settings and click Expenses. Select an account to track all your mileage expenses. Select the default mileage unit. The mileage rate that you set here will be applied to the expenses created on the start date and the duration till the next start date. If you want to set a default mileage rate to be applied to expenses before the initial start date, you can create a new mileage rate without defining the start date. You can edit or delete the existing mileage rate as well. You can also track the mileage expenses for vehicles separately. Go to the Vehicles tab and add the vehicle name. After adding the vehicle, go to the Preferences section. Here, you will be able to associate the vehicles to any of the mileage rates and raise expenses for them separately. You can also add a new mileage rate by clicking here. Then click Save. That's it, you have configured your mileage expense preferences. Recording a mileage expense. Now that we have configured the mileage expense preferences, let's see how to record the expense for the same. Go to the Expenses module and click the plus icon next to Expenses. Go to the Record Mileage tab. Here, select the date when the mileage expense was incurred. If you have added any vehicles under Expense Preferences, you will be provided with an option to associate the respective vehicle for this expense. Select either of the methods to calculate your mileage rate. If you select the Distance Traveled option, you will be asked to enter the number of miles traveled to calculate the expense amount. If you wish to calculate your distance traveled based on the odometer reading, select this option. The rate for each mile will be calculated based on the expense mileage preferences you've configured under Settings. Enter reference number and add notes if necessary. You can also associate the respective customer and project to this expense. You can also associate tags to this expense if you wish. You can also attach files or receipts related to your expenses. Then click Save. That's it, you have recorded your mileage expense. Invoicing mileage expenses to your customer. There are cases where you want to invoice your customers for the costs incurred on behalf of them. In such cases, while recording the expense, associate the respective customer and mark this option billable to invoice your customer for this expense, and enter the percentage by which you want to mark up this expense amount while invoicing them. Then click Save. Having recorded the expense, you can convert it into an invoice by clicking here. The data will be auto-populated from the expense which we have recorded. The rate will also be calculated based on the markup percentage. Verify all the details here. You can either save the invoice as draft or save and share it to your customer. You will also be able to edit, print, and on clicking the More icon, you will also be able to clone or delete them. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.